going to explain or discuss the simultaneous linear equation. All of you know the simultaneous linear equation, which has been already discussed in your school. Now, simultaneous linear equation has four processes. Number one is comparison, comparison. Number two is elimination, elimination, elimination. Number three is substitution, substitution, substitution. And number four is cross multiplication, cross, cross, multiplication. Now we are going to discuss and do some sums over comparison and also elimination process. Sum number one, that is comparison method. Method is comparison. Sum number one is x plus 1 by y plus 1 equal to 4 by 5 and x minus 5 by y minus 5 equal to 1 by 2. The method is comparison. So you have to compare either x or y. Either x or y. That is your own choice. There is no hard and fast rule for x and y. Now x plus 1 by y plus 1 equal to 4 by 5. So x plus 1 into 5, that is 5x plus 5. 4y plus 1 into 4, that is 4y plus 4. Or 5x equal to 4y, 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. Therefore, x equal to 4y minus 1 by 5. Equation number 1. Similarly, from this equation number x minus 5 by x minus y minus 5, from this equation we will get equation number 2. 2 into x, that is 2x minus 10 equal to y minus 5. Y minus 5 equal to into 1, that is y minus 5. So 2x equal to y minus 10. When sign change, that is plus 10, that is y plus 5. Therefore x equal to y plus 5 by 2. That is equation number 2. Here you have to do x equal to x 4y minus 1 by 5 and x equal to y plus 5 by 2. You can do in this place y equal to, you can do in this place y equal to. So you have to compare x and y. That is your own choice. So comparing, comparing, comparing equation number 1 and 2. 4y minus 1 by 5 equal to y plus 5 by 2. Or 4y minus 1 into 2, that is 8y minus 2. 5y plus 5 into 5, that is 5y plus 25. Or 8y minus 5y, that is 3y equal to 25 plus 2, that is 27. Y equal to 27 by 3 is equal to 9. So you have to put in the value of y in equation number 1 and 2. That's your own choice also. So putting the value of y in equation number 1, you will get x equal to 4y minus 1 by 5 is equal to 4 into, putting the value of y equal to 9, 4 into 9 minus 1 by 5. 4 into 9, that is 36 minus 1, that is 35 by 5, that is answer is 7. So x equal to 7, y equal to 9. The answer is x equal to 7, y equal to 9. Answer. So first sum is over. That is the process of comparison. So the second sum, also in the method of comparison. Number 2, x plus y by xy is equal to 2 and x minus y by xy equal to 1. Now from this first equation, x plus y by xy is equal to 2, or here x plus y by 2 is equal to xy, so xy equal to x plus y by 2, that is equation number 1. Similarly, from here you can write x minus y by xy equal to 1, therefore xy equal to x minus y, that is equation number 2. Comparing 1 and 2, comparing, comparing, that is the comparing process. So you have to write comparing 1 and 2. We get x plus y by 2 is equal to x minus y, or x plus y equal to 2 into x, that is 2x minus 2y, or 2x x minus 2x equal to minus 2y minus y, or minus x equal to minus 3y, therefore x equal to 3y. The x is equal to 3y, putting the value of x equal to 3y in equation number 1 or 2, you will get equation number, that is equation number 3. Putting the value of x equal to 3y, you will get the value of x or y. So if you want to put here 3y, what will be happen? xy equal to x plus y by 2, or x equal to 3y into y. This dot is into. Now x equal to 3y plus y by 2, 3y plus y, that is 4y by 2, that is 2y, or 3y square equal to 2y, or 3y equal to, cutting y and y here, 3y equal to 2, therefore y equal to 2 by 3. So putting the value of y in any equation, the 3 or 4, sorry, 3 or 2, or 2 or 1, you will get the value of x. If you want to put x equal in equation number 3, what will be happen? Putting P-U-T-T-I-N-G, putting the value of y in equation number 3, E-Q-U-A-T-I-O-N, equation number N-U-M-B and number 3, we get x equal to 3y, x equal to 3 into y equal to 2 by 3, that is 2. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 by 3. That's your answer. So the comparison process, you have to do many sums from your book when you will go through your book. Now the second process here is elimination. Second process is elimination. The sum number is 3. xy by x plus y is equal to 1 by 5, and xy by x minus y equal to 1 by 9. Elimination. What is the meaning of elimination? You have to eliminate. You have to eliminate either x or y. Now that is very vital. xy by x plus y, inverse of x plus y by xy is equal to inverse of 1 by 5, that is 5 by 1. So here x by xy, splitting this form, y by xy, you can write. So x cut it here, and y, that is 1 by y plus 1 by x equal to 5, equation number 1. Similarly, in that case also, inversing the left hand side, x minus y by xy, and that is 1 by 9, that is 9 by 1, that is 9, x by xy minus y by xy equal to 9, cutting x and y, therefore 1 by y minus 1 by x is equal to 9, that is equation number 2. Now the process elimination, that is eliminate 1 by y plus 1 by x equal to 5. Now 1 by y minus 1 by x is equal to 9. adding a d I n g, adding. So we have to cut 1 by x minus 1 by x and 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by y equal to 5 plus 9 equal to 14. LCM is y, here y, and that is here also y. In the denominator portion, the 1 plus 1, that is 2, equal to 14. Therefore y is equal to 2 by 14, that is 1 by 7. So you have to put in the value of y in any one, either equation number 1 or 2. Putting the value of y in equation 1. Equation number 1 is 1 by y plus 1 by x equal to 5. 1 by y plus 1 by x equal to 5. And the value of y is 1 by 7. Value of y is 1 by 7. So this one is 1. Value of y is 1 by 7. So 1 by 7. Minor you have to follow here. Y equal to 1 by 7. That is 1 by x is equal to 5. Or 1 by 7. That is 7. Equal to 1 plus 1 by x is equal to 5. Or 1 by x equal to 5 minus 7. That is result is minus 2. Therefore x equal to minus half. So result is x equal to minus half. Y is equal to 1 by 7. That's your answer. So sum number 3 is over. Now the last sum, that is sum number 4. That is also the process of elimination. The sum is 3x minus 2 by y equal to 5. X plus 4 by y equal to 4. That is also simple. Here 3x minus 2 by y equal to 5. You can eliminate either 2 by y, 4 by y or 3x x. But you have to do here 3x. If you want to eliminate x portion, then here 3x, that is also in this position only x, that is 1x. So you have to multiply this equation number 2 and equation number 1 by 1 and equation number 2 by 3. What will be happen? When multiplied equation number 1 by 1, you have to write it here. Multiplying equation number 1 by 1 and multiplying equation number 2 by 3. The answer is 3x minus 2 by y equal to 5. Now 3 into x, that is 3x, plus 4 into 3, that is 12 by y is equal to 4 3 are 12. So when the multiplication is over, then what will be happen here? Here plus 3x plus 3x. So you have to subtract here. SUBTRACT. Subtract this portion. So change the sign. All of you know, I think so. So 3x and 3x cut it here. Minus 2 by y. Minus 2 by y minus 12 by y equal to minus 5 minus 12. That is minus 7. Now y and y, LCM is also y. Minus 2 minus 12 is equal to minus 7. Or minus 2 minus 12, that is minus 14 by y is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 cut it here. So y equal to 14 by 7 is equal to 2. So putting the value of y in equation number 1 or 2, that's your own choice. Therefore putting putting the value value of y in equation number, if it is 1, we get 3x minus 2 by y is equal to 5, or y equal to 2. So 3x is equal to 2 by 2 equal to 5. The value of y is 2. So cut it here. Therefore 3x equal to minus 1. When sign side change, the sign will be changed. That is 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Therefore x equal to 6 by 3, that is 2. So x equal to 2 and y equal to also 2. So therefore x equal to 2, y equal to also 2. That's your answer. So put answer 1. So you have to